Conservation. We work hard to protect these endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a better place for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now, before we turn to the end of the show, I would like to introduce you the people behind the success of this show. To our bird trainers here on stage, we have here Miss Lou, Mr. Oleg, Mr. Charles, and Miss Rachel. To make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, yours truly, my name is Yasin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy. Alright, now for those who want to take pictures of our photographers, kindly form a line here at the center. We have our official photographers